How do you use LinkedIn's new AI hiring assistant? Let's dive in straight away and I can show you this new tool. Okay, so we are now on LinkedIn and you will see it says here post a free job. The other place you can go to is up here on jobs and we'll click on, let's go to the jobs one because that's the one that most of you are going to be able to see first. And on the left hand side here it says post a free job. So let's click on post a free job and LinkedIn opens up this screen. So it straight away says, find your next great hire, generate with AI. So I want you to put in a job title in here. So add the title you are hiring for. And the best way to do this, as they say, is look, select a title from the drop down. You can also choose your own title instead. So I'm going to put in, let's try freelance video editor. There we go. I'm going to click on that one. And you can use your own job description, but we want to look at how to use the Generate with AI tool. So I'm going to click on Generate with AI. And it says it's pulling in insights from my profile and company. So it knows there's my profile and it knows what my company is. So it starts off with the company description. If you're going to test this out, I always think you should use the way a software sets this up. So if LinkedIn is suggesting that you start with the company description, that is best practice. And I think that's what you should use in this instance. I've drafted a job description. Let's look at the job description. It says there's the company description first. Then there's the role description. And this is the bit where you probably want to edit this yourself. So the role primarily involves video production. So it involves video editing, color grading. Okay. You will be responsible for creating high quality video content for LinkedIn marketing. This is a hybrid role. No, it's not. This is a remote role. Okay. So you need, these are the skills and qualifications you need. I'm editing it to fit UK graphics. Okay. And okay, let's go. Continue. All right, so then we have the job settings. It says feel free to edit any of these. So screening questions, and we recommend adding 3 or more questions. Have you got a degree? And the ideal answer would be yes. Let's see what else we want to do. Remote work. Are you comfortable working in a remote setting? And let's see, work experience. So I want to know that this person has edited videos before. Writing and editing, must-have qualification, and expertise with skill. So we definitely want somebody who has video editing experience. Now, I would prefer if they had YouTube. Ah, yes. Okay. YouTube video creation. Perfect. Must-have qualification. That's probably the most important one for me. Okay. All right. So that works out. And then go down to rejection settings, click on that, and it says if they don't have the must-have qualifications, basically say no, thank you. That's perfect. Manage applicants on LinkedIn or on an external website. I'm happy to manage it on LinkedIn. Hiring frame. Are you hiring? Add the hiring frame to your profile. And we click on continue. Okay, so analyzing my job post. Won't be seen by job seekers. So here's what we need these people to have. Must have qualifications. You prefer somebody with this. Actually, I want somebody who has experience with YouTube. So that's moving up to here. And actually, I don't really particularly, they don't necessarily need to have a degree. And they don't need to be able to commute to me, although it would be preferable if they did. Okay, so that's fine. That content works. Click continue. And then it says promote your job post to get 3 times more qualified applicants. I am not going to do that. So I'm going to post without promoting. And we're going to click post without promoting. And we now have, in 5 minutes, created a job. So let's have a look. And then you want to look at your job. Click on manage job. Optimize your job post so we can share this onto our news feed. Discard. You can promote the job post and you can ask coworkers to help you hire by sharing that post for you. And there we go. We have created a job on LinkedIn using the AI hiring tool. So, will you use this tool? I think it could be quite interesting. If you are a job seeker, do check out my top video, which is how to upload your resume onto LinkedIn when you're applying for jobs. There's a key way to use LinkedIn, job seekers, and good luck.